Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that frustrating outside your home area message on YouTube TV. Whether you're traveling or just trying to access your favorite shows from a different location, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, let's verify your location. Connect your mobile device to your Wi-Fi. Head over to tv.youtube.com/verify and confirm your location. If you're still seeing the error, try restarting your devices. If that doesn't work, unplug your router for about a minute, then plug it back in. Wait for everything to reconnect and then relaunch YouTube TV. Next, you'll want to check your device's location settings. Make sure location services are enabled specifically for YouTube TV and that the settings reflect where you actually are. Now let's update your home area in the YouTube TV app. Simply open the app, tap the gear icon for settings, and look for the home area section. Make sure it matches your current location, then save those changes and restart the app. If you're still getting that outside your home area message, you can use two-factor authentication at tv.youtube.com/verify to sort it out. If you're still having issues, you can go ahead and message Hazel from Team YouTube. Now, if you're trying to watch YouTube TV from outside the US, you'll need a VPN, and not every VPN will work, so I recommend options like ExpressVPN or NordVPN to avoid buffering. Once you've picked a VPN, download the app and connect to a US server. After that, you should be able to watch YouTube TV without a hitch. If you're looking to catch specific sports events, you'll need to spoof your browser's location too. First, find your VPN server's latitude and longitude by visiting iplocation.com while still connected to your US server. Next, in Chrome, right-click and select Inspect, then go to the three dots, which is the hamburger menu, choose More Tools and click on Sensors. Click Manage, then add location and paste in those coordinates. Select your new location from the Override dropdown and refresh the YouTube TV tab. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.